Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the heart of the Caribbean, where the captivating rhythms of Cuba beckon us to explore its enchanting landscapes, delve into its rich history, and immerse ourselves in its vibrant cultural tapestry. Join me on this expedition as we unravel the secrets of finding the perfect time to experience the magic of this extraordinary island. Now, picture this, Cuba, a land that seems to exist in a timeless embrace, where history whispers through cobblestone streets, and the air is infused with the essence of a culture that has stood the test of time. This gem in the Caribbean is blessed with a tropical climate that dances to the beat of its own drum. To truly understand and savor the essence of this island, we must unravel the secrets held within its weather patterns. As we delve into the intricacies of Cuba's climate, we unlock the key to unlocking a journey that transcends the ordinary and ventures into the extraordinary. From November to April, Cuba experiences its dry season, a time of lower humidity, abundant sunshine, and minimal rainfall. It's the perfect canvas for a beach lover's paradise. Crystal clear waters and warm temperatures invite you to dive into the pristine beaches, creating a haven for sunseekers. During this period, Cuba transforms into a sun-soaked haven, where the air is laced with the scent of salt water, and the sun kisses your skin. The lower humidity allows for a comfortable and refreshing atmosphere, making it an idyllic time for those seeking the ultimate beach experience. The abundant sunshine paints the landscape with a golden hue, casting a warm glow on the colonial architecture of Havana and the lush greenery of the countryside. The crystal-clear waters lap gently at the shore, inviting you to immerse yourself in the tranquil embrace of the Caribbean Sea. The warm temperatures create a perfect balance, making every moment spent on the pristine beaches a blissful escape. Now, flip the calendar to May, and the island transitions into its wet season. While the occasional downpour may occur, lush landscapes and fewer crowds unveil a more intimate encounter with Cuba's natural beauty. It's a trade-off between tranquility and the occasional raindrop. As May arrives, Cuba undergoes a subtle transformation. The wet season brings with it the promise of rain, offering a different perspective on the island's beauty. While occasional downpours may dot the landscape, they come as a refreshing interlude, nourishing the earth and painting the scenery in vibrant hues. The lush landscapes come alive, with flora and fauna reaching their peak vibrancy. The crowds thin out, creating an intimate setting where you can immerse yourself in the natural splendor of Cuba without the hustle and bustle. It's a trade-off between tranquility and the occasional raindrop, as if nature itself is sharing its secrets in a more subdued, yet equally captivating, manner. Timing isn't just about weather, it's also about navigating the ebb and flow of Cuba's crowds. Beyond the weather, the ebb and flow of Cuba's crowds play a significant role in shaping the traveler's experience. The dichotomy of high and low seasons adds a layer of complexity to the decision-making process, prompting a consideration of what type of experience one seeks. From November to April, the high season paints Havana's streets with vibrant energy. Tourists flood the city, creating a lively atmosphere. However, this vitality comes at a cost: higher prices and increased demand for services. It's a bustling time to experience Cuba's charm. In the high season, Havana transforms into a bustling metropolis, with the streets alive with the rhythmic footsteps of travelers. The vivacity is palpable, from the historic squares of Old Havana to the vibrant beats of live music echoing through the alleyways. Tourists from around the world converge, creating a lively and spirited atmosphere. However, this vibrant energy comes at a cost. Accommodation prices rise, and services are in high demand, reflecting the popularity of this time. It's a trade-off between being part of the lively tapestry of Cuban life and navigating the heightened demand that accompanies it. As the sun-drenched days of May unfold in Cuba, a tranquil transformation takes hold: the onset of the low season. It's a time when the rhythmic pace of the island slows, and the once bustling streets find themselves adorned with a sense of calm. This is an invitation for those seeking more than just a destination, it's an opportunity to immerse oneself in a different side of Cuba, where the energy of the crowd diminishes, making way for a more intimate and relaxed atmosphere. Moreover, savvy travelers during this period can find themselves enjoying budget-friendly deals, unlocking the doors to authentic Cuban experiences with fewer fellow adventurers. But what if your wanderlust extends beyond the allure of sun-kissed beaches? What if you harbor a deep desire to unravel the layers of Cuba's rich cultural tapestry? In this vibrant nation, the answer lies in the heartbeat of its festivals. Picture yourself amidst the colorful and lively celebrations of the Havana Carnival or the Santiago de Cuba Carnival. These events are not just gatherings, they are cultural spectacles, offering an immersion into the very soul of Cuba. Timing your visit to coincide with these festivals is akin to unlocking a treasure chest of cultural delights, adding an extra layer of excitement and authenticity to your Cuban adventure. Now, let's embark on a journey through the diverse regions of Cuba, each offering a distinct flavor of the island's charm. Havana, often referred to as the beating heart of Cuba, is a harmonious blend of history and modernity. Roam the cobblestone streets of old Havana, where every corner whispers tales of a bygone era. The lively Malecon, with its captivating sea views, sets the stage for an unforgettable experience, where the essence of Cuba's soul is laid bare. Venturing westward, we arrive at Viñales and Varadero, where nature takes center stage. Viñales, with its lush tobacco fields and dramatic landscapes, immerses you in the serene beauty of rural Cuba. Varadero, with its sun-kissed beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, invites you to unwind in a tropical paradise. Central Cuba, with cities like Cienfuegos and Trinidad, is a captivating time capsule transporting you to a bygone era. The well-preserved colonial architecture stands as a testament to the island's storied past. Here, the slower pace of life invites you to savor the details, allowing history to unfold at its own leisurely rhythm. The dry season, which unveils the charm of these towns, transforms your visit into a timeless journey. To the east lies Santiago de Cuba, a city pulsating with Afro-Cuban culture and a vibrant music scene. While the wet season may occasionally bring a refreshing rain shower, it doesn't dampen the spirit of this cultural hub. Santiago de Cuba beckons with its lively streets, historical significance, and a rich tapestry of traditions that make it a captivating destination year-round. In Cuba, every region is a chapter in the island's story, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. So, whether you seek the vibrant energy of Havana, the tranquility of Viñales, the historical allure of Trinidad, or the cultural richness of Santiago de Cuba, the diversity of Cuba awaits, promising an adventure that transcends the boundaries of time and leaves an indelible mark on your travel memories. As you set the stage for your Cuban adventure, practical considerations become the backstage crew ensuring a seamless journey. Here's a closer look at the key elements to enhance your experience. Before setting foot on Cuban soil, ensure your paperwork is in order. Understanding the visa requirements is paramount. Verify the specific documents needed for entry and duration of stay. Additionally, Cuba mandates health insurance coverage for all travelers. This not only protects you, but also contributes to the overall well-being of the local community. Cuba operates on a dual currency system, the Cuban peso (CUP) and the Cuban convertible peso (CUC). This unique system might seem intricate at first, but mastering it is key to a smooth journey. Familiarize yourself with the exchange rates and where each currency is accepted. While some places prefer CUC, others may deal exclusively in CUP. Cash is king in Cuba, as credit cards are not widely accepted. Having local currency in hand ensures you're ready to immerse yourself fully in the Cuban experience. In Cuba, the journey is as much a part of the adventure as the destination. Classic cars, remnants of a bygone era, paint the streets with nostalgic hues. Embrace the allure of these vintage vehicles as you navigate the vibrant cityscape. Diesel buses, providing a more budget-friendly option, crisscross the island, offering a glimpse into local life. Each mode of transportation adds a layer to your Cuban journey, creating memories woven into the fabric of the island. Cuba's culinary scene is a tapestry of flavors, from the savory richness of ropa vieja to the refreshing zest of mojitos. Indulge your senses and savor the authentic tastes of the island. But it's not just about the dishes, it's also about the experience. Understanding local dining etiquette enhances the authenticity of your culinary journey. Engage with locals, learn about the history behind each dish, and let the gastronomic adventure be a cultural exchange that transcends the plate. And there you have it, fellow travelers, a compass to navigate the captivating allure of Cuba. In this comprehensive guide, we've not only explored the nuances of timing, understanding when to embrace the sun-soaked beaches, or relish the tranquility of the off-season, but we've also delved into the varied regions that make up this cultural mosaic. Choosing the right time is just the beginning. We've traversed the cobbled streets of Havana, danced in the lively atmosphere of Viñales, immersed ourselves in the colonial charm of Cienfuegos, and felt the vibrant pulse of Santiago de Cuba. Each region a chapter, each experience a brushstroke on the canvas of your Cuban adventure. Yet, this guide is not just about timing and places, it's a roadmap of practical wisdom. From navigating the dual currency system to hopping on a classic car for a truly Cuban commute, we've armed you with the insights to make your journey seamless. So, fellow wanderers, as you prepare to embark on your Cuban odyssey, I leave you with this: pack your bags, but don't forget to bring an open heart and a curious spirit. Let's not just visit Cuba, let's immerse ourselves in its magic, its music, its history, and its warmth. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. Until next time, happy travels. May your Cuban adventure be as vibrant and enchanting as the island itself. Adios for now, and buen voyage.